Have you ever felt a sneeze coming on and thought, oh, this is just a gentle little puff of air? Well, bless your innocent little heart, because your sneeze is a biological weapon, a full-force gust that travels at over 100 miles per hour. That's not just fast. That's faster than a professional fastball, faster than a cheetah chasing a gazelle. So, the next time you feel a tickle in your nose, remember you are about to unleash a Category 5 sneeze nado. You're basically a high-speed cannon and your germs are the ammo. So please, for the love of everyone around you, aim for your elbow. No one wants to be a casualty of your mucus-based artillery. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.